Thank you, Thomas Wade, for providing the reference photo of military working dog Rik D211 Patrol Explosive Detection Dog. Thomas had this to say about military working dog Rik. Rik was a patrol explosive detection dog stationed in Hawaii. Prior to becoming a teen, he had prior deployments to Africa, the Philippines, and several VIP operations. As a team, we conducted several stateside bomb sweeps and VIP operations. We then deployed to Operation Iraqi Freedom in 2005 and 2007. After returning from our second trip to Iraq, Rik was showing signs of PTSD. In 2008, Rik retired and moved into my family's home. He lived comfortably with us till early 2011 when he passed. From 2004 through 2011, we had spent more time together than most families. He was a wonderful partner and will always hold a spot in my heart. Thank you, Thomas and Rik, for your service, and thank you, Thomas and his family, for giving Rik the retirement and love he deserved.